Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. Welcome to Dostong Web TV. So here we are at ASEAN Malaysia Stats Week for the 15th session of the ASEAN Community Statistical Committee meeting, SCSS 15, and also ASEAN Malaysia Statistical Forum, AMSF. So today, I am with Mr. Bahrom Haji Kadom, Acting Director of Statistics, Department of Statistics, Department of Economic Planning and Statistics, Ministry of Finance and Economy, Brunei. So how are you today, sir?
Yes, I'm feeling very great. I'm really happy to be in Malacca, such a historic and a beautiful part of Malaysia.
Okay, so what is the first impression of the event when you here at Dusit Princess, Malacca?
Yeah, thank you for your question. My first impression of the event venue was that it was well organized and the venue looked vibrant, creating a comfortable, professional atmosphere for participants. The overall setting gave a positive, welcoming vibe.
Okay, so with regard to our meeting today, so thinking about the next generation of data user, what is the best way you think to raise statistical literacy among the public?
Yeah, I think the best approach, to raise statistical literacy among the public. I think what we practice in Brunei Darussalam from primary to higher education institution, by emphasizing the importance of quality, reporting quality statistics, especially in the surveys, all the data that we request from such a department. As you know, that quality statistics plays an important role for policymakers in planning and making informed decision. National responsibility that requires effective coordination and cooperation across all relevant agencies.
Okay,
Yeah.
so as for Malaysia, we also almost the same for our practice in Malaysia. So thank you for the valuable insight given. That is all for our interview session with Mr. Bahrom from Brunei. This insight reminds us of how collaboration and data innovation continue to shape a stronger and more united country like Brunei, Malaysia and also ASEAN. So thank you for joining us at Dostong Web TV and stay tuned for more.
Thank you so much.